Hi and welcome to the channel. Today I'll be upgrading my boost pipe from the turbo to the intercooler. And behind me, if you have a look, that is basically it. So I'm going to put some clamps on it, and now the actual pipe, I'll just quickly show you, is this one down there. Comes straight from the turbo and it goes to the intercooler. Oh, there it is. It's right this one here. Okay, and loosen those off. Whole thing will come off here. Take this off, get rid of this, got the connector, join it around, and that'll be us done. And I'll go and test it for boost leaks, see if I'm boosting better. So as you can see there, it's come away quite bad. Stupid pipe, stupid clip, and the fuck did I put that on? Come on. That's it. There's this force on. Oh, I've got the wrong diameter pipe. I'm in trouble. Looks like I'm in trouble. Right, it does go on. It's a bit of a very tight squeeze, but it should go on. That's a tight squeeze, very tight. So what you'll have to do, you'll have to use a screwdriver, put it underneath, push down hard, and pry it on. But it is a very tight squeeze, which you want, because you don't want it to be. Obviously you could spray around there as well, might help it. Just spray that around. I'll take this rubber off. Shit, oh, it's dead. Right, it's almost done, just a little bit more. Goes in there, apparently. That goes in. See, it goes in there and goes over the ridge, and that's it. That's how it sits. And that comes round here and sits on there. So if you don't see that, it actually slots in. There's a sleeve. The sleeve there slides over the top, and that's it. That's the original BMW seal. Put back on. Stand there. 34 minutes elapsed. Right, please come. So I sprayed it up so I can move it around a little bit. Obviously that's not going to hurt it, is it? So just going to put it back on, see where it goes, see how much I got. To put this back on. Just like that. So there's bits all around there. Yeah. I could have done with a straight piece, to be honest. But you can turn it around like that. We'll see. Let's see how it goes anyway. The spots first. Me. Come on. Too easy for yourself, do you? That's modification fucking pots. Right then, what I've done is I've taken this off here. I've got the clip off, the metal clip off there, and I'm going to be replacing it with, I'll get it, I'll be replacing it with this. That will slot onto there and that'll go on, feed onto that. So I will take this pipe off from the bottom, feed it down, and then push it back up. So that's what I'm going to do. Down here is 51 mil diameter, up here 57. So I'll be replacing this pipe here with this one. It goes from 51, 57. So I broke this clip off here. Just cut it off. Yeah, just cut that off. This will now come off. So a new one goes on there, so a clip will go there, and some clips will go there. And then I've got to I'll take this one off, and there's a clip underneath, and I'll break that one off, that will come off, and the top piece will go on. So, and then it'll be ready to go on the car. Broken this bit off now as well, just snapped it, and that will come off now. Right then, I've got this on. So this is sorted, this is tightened. I've just got to tighten up the bottom. That's it then. You can see that's all on. Look underneath there. can see that's on there as well. That's all silicone now. That one down there as well, all the way to the top. Yep,